Mouros. Yes, they have it. Tell them it's very important, will you please? Thank you.
Yeah?
You don't know me, but you're in danger. Someone wants to kill you.
I'm just gonna have to ask you to leave.
Security, Arlene Fletcher's off the 12th floor.
Please, just don't be afraid. I know how this looks, but someone wants to hurt you.
Please leave.
I will. But listen to me. There is a man. I can't see his face, but I'm starting to feel him. I'm starting to think his thoughts, and he has already killed women like you because he hates you. You are everything that he is not. He feels like you have stolen his identity. You gotta listen to me. Please, he's got your name on a list. He knows everything about you. Please listen to me. He's gonna kill you.
Life on the beat, where the line between the good guys and the bad can get blurry. Hit the streets of NYPD Blue. Tonight, starting at 11 p.m. Eastern on H&I. Is your body storing fat more easily? Do you suffer from a lack of energy? Or the draining side effects of restless sleep? How about an increase in wrinkles and even sagging skin?
Hi, I'm Kim Douglas, and as a beauty expert always on the hunt for the next great breakthrough, when I heard about a youth hormone that was associated with reducing body fat, increasing lean muscle mass, and even reducing the appearance of wrinkles, I just had to learn more. I'm talking about human growth hormone, or HGH, and as early as our mid-20s, our natural production of HGH begins to drop dramatically. Here's the good news.